Hi everyone. So in this video, we will be talking about Cognizant communication assessment for digital nurture and GenC hiring. In this video, we will be understanding the whole pattern plus what kind of sections we will be getting in the communication assessment. Let's start. As we all know that this is the first round for Cognizant hiring. If it is a GenC hiring, digital nurture hiring or any hiring. Okay, communication assessment is our first round. Let's discuss about this. The pattern is same. The pattern is there will be total 58 minutes and there will be total 4 sections. Okay, let's understand this. In this 58 minutes it is a total timing. Okay, total timing. So total timing is 58 minutes and it is divided into total 4 sections. The first is read and repeat. Second is speaking on a topic. Third is grammar and fourth is story based questions. Okay, so these will be total 4 topics in which you need to pass this exam. For passing, generally the criteria is around 70%. So suppose when you are giving the exam, it is not like you need to compete with each other, but you need to score that qualifying marks of 70% to crack this exam. Now talking about how to prepare for Cognizant, first of all, I wanted to share the mock test link in the description. You can see the Cognizant GenC mock test in which you will be getting the actual PYQs. Okay, so if you want to see the coding questions, web-based question, SQL questions, whatever, the full set. Okay, so we have uploaded the actual paper with the screenshots. So you will be getting the full paper screenshots here. So you can go with the actual PYQs. Otherwise, you will be getting some mock test as well. So you can purchase the mock test series for the PYQs. Okay, so PYQs you will be getting in this section. Okay, so link of the Cognizant Gen Z mock test series will be in the description, which you can check out. Now talking about read and repeat section. This is the first section. So see, this section is pretty simple, but the thing is, in this you will be starting with the easy sentence. Okay, so I'll just tell you. So there are, suppose the sentence are written like this. There is a mic here. Okay, and this is a recording button. They'll say read sentence 1, so you need to read the sentence 1. They'll say read sentence 2, you need to read sentence 2. They'll say read sentence 3, so you will be wearing the headphone, and the headphone you will be hearing this. Okay, so basically you need to read the sentence which are displaying on the screen. So it is pretty simple, right? But the thing which they will be checking is the pronunciation, because there is a possibility that there will be there will be some difficult words in these sentences. So initial sentences can be easy, but later on there can be some complicated sentences as well with the difficult pronunciation. So when you are doing the read and repeat, make sure your pronunciation is correct. Okay, so this section basically judges your pronunciation skills. Next is speak on topic. Again, section many students find this section like little bit difficult. Why? Because suppose there is a topic given. Suppose the topic is traditions versus westernization. Okay, suppose this is the topic. Okay, or left versus right wing, or the topic is uh, paper leak problem in India, suppose. Yeah, population control. Suppose these are some topics. So what you need to do is you need to think about 30 seconds about the topic, like what you can speak. Then there will be a recording button. You need to record your response for 1 minute. So basically, for 1 minute, you need to speak on that topic. Suppose the topic is population control. So first you will be thinking about 30 seconds that what you need to speak. Okay. After thinking for 30 seconds, you will draw like some lines that in introduction what I can speak, in topic brief what I can tell, and then I will conclude the summary, like how we can talk about the population, the brief of the problem, like what kind of problems, okay, we face, and then the summary of the issue. Okay, so that's how we speak. So you need to think about like 30 seconds and then you need to speak for 1 minute. Please do practice about it. Do practice about it. Even if you will practice 10 topics before going to the assessment, that is more than enough. Definitely you will speak good about the topic in the actual communication assessment. Then there is grammar. There will be around 32 questions for grammar. Pretty straightforward. There will be some fill in the blanks. Okay, there will be some fill in the blanks. Then there will be active voice, passive voice, active voice, passive voice. Okay. Then there will be sentence constructions, tenses, articles, prepositions. Okay. So these kind of grammar related questions you will be getting. So in the fill in the blanks, you need to fill in the blanks, right? Then active passive voice, you need to tick mark the right option. Sentence errors or construction, you need to choose the correct sentence out of the three or four. In tenses, you need to choose the proper tense for the sentence, and in article, you need to use the proper article for the sentence. So these kind of grammatical 32 questions you will be getting. Then there is listening comprehension. For listening comprehension, there will be 16 questions and there will be like 3 lines, 4 lines paragraphs, or there will be some conversations happening between two people. What you need to do is you need to listen it, and you need to answer. Basically, you will be listening the communication, you will be listening the conversation or the stories. Based on the stories, you will be giving the answer. So this will be there in the listening comprehension. I hope the exam pattern is pretty clear. Thank you so much for watching.